Hi everyone, welcome to FoodyVibes. Today we'll be making a simple veg fried rice. In a wok, we'll drizzle some oil, add 1 teaspoon of garlic paste and add the shredded carrots. Mix and let saute for 1 minute, then add some corn kernel. Then add some shredded cabbages. Mix again for few seconds. Sprinkle some chopped spring onions. Add 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, season with some black pepper powder. Mix, then add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. Then add the rice. Drizzle around 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce and 1/4 teaspoon of sesame oil. Mix all well until everything is well combined and finally garnish with some finely chopped spring onions. That's it. This is my easy version of veg fried rice, so simple yet very flavorful that varies with whatever veggies you want to add. Hope you have liked my videos. For more, please share, like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.